In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get Ignition Deepdelver Deepwoken. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to acquire the Master Outfit Ignition Deepdelver. This is a heavyweight armor devised for deep delvers into the layers of the depths. So, the requirements for you to obtain this are first going to be 1,000 notes. So the outfit costs 1,000 notes and it requires 5 cloth and fiber, 1 blue gem, 5 vibrant gems, 1 boulder claw, and 1 frozen membrane. Finally, 1 worn cog. The outfit requires power level 15, and for the obtainment, it is going to be based around layer 2 and the diluvian mechanism. It will have 3,000 durability. It grants 15% frost draw and iron sing armor, 35% elemental armor, 20% ether regeneration, and 30% physical armor. It also provides the Force Your Way talent. This will grant a player the ability to parry unparryable attacks from monsters only, not players, at the cost of some armor durability, losing around 1%. Whenever an attack that is not normally parryable is parried, the armor will allow some sparks and steam, which is visual, and note that normally unparryable attacks have a much stricter parry timing than regular attacks, which will take some getting used to. But to keep it simple, you will be able to find the schematic for this outfit in layer 2 and the diluvian mechanism if you are doing wave 30 plus. And for the requirements, once again, you will need 1,000 nodes for the price, power level 15, and then for the items, blue gem, 1 boner claw, 5 cloth, 5 fiber, 1 frozen membrane, 5 vibrant gems, and 1 worn cog. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Ignition Deepdelver Deepwoken. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.